Pulicat Lake Bird Sanctuary, the second largest brackish-water ecosystem in India. A coastal lagoon in the east coast adjoining Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, which is rich in biodiversity. It is the home for large numbers of resident birds like black-headed ibis, Asian openbill, painted storks, spot-billed pelicans, and various species of egrets and herons. It is a happy hunting ground for brown-headed gulls. About 10 species of terns flock here. Greater crested terns, Caspian tern, lesser-crested terns, and little terns. Sighting the golden jackals along the banks of river is not rare. Watching the mighty white-bellied sea eagles hunting the big fishes and devouring them is a feast to eyes. Their magnificent flight ensures they really rule the oceans. Lesser noddy, a rarity to the coasts, once made its appearance here. Migrant birds like lesser sand plovers, greater sand plovers, and curlews and many other species have their wintering grounds here. Pink feathers of the flamingos, merging with the blues of sky and water, adds more beauty to this bird's paradise.